just do a quick video. Just got the Zoe, and I'm just going to show you something that you might be quite interested in if you've been following the Zoe progress, because one of the things that they got a lot of stick for was not having a split folding rear seat. So we were quite surprised when we found this. And I'm going to turn the camera around. There we go. A split folding rear seat in our Zoe. And a pushchair and a Bose stereo, which takes up the whole of the boot. But never mind. They could have put it there, but they didn't. Why didn't they put it in the side? I'll never know. Anyway, that's just a quick one, just to show you that there is now a Renault Zoe option. Well, it's not an option, it just came with the car. We didn't ask for it. It turned up at the dealership and we came along, picked it up, and there it was, split folding rear seat. And when I can take the child seats out, I'll even maybe show you how it works.